What's up, everybody? So I just want to talk about a little bit about books. I just went to a couple of Goodwill stores, and there's normally a section that I kind of just skim over, and that is the children's books, because normally all the stuff over there is going to be garbage. It's not going to be worth anything on Amazon. But I actually found there was like a set of 10. They're like single books, but there was 10 of them there, 10 different ones of like Leapfrog, Leapster type books. They're all like Disney characters, so like TV shows and whatnot. And they go for like a Leapfrog. It's like an interactive book. Normally, brand new, they sell for like $20-25, brand new in the store. And they were selling them for, I got them for 69 cents a piece. Out of the 10 of them, I ended up buying 7, and I think I'll probably make around $100 on them. So there's really good money in children's books. You just have to know what you're looking for. You just have to pretty much scan everything until you know what sells. So that's really my advice. Same thing for fiction. Like, I don't really look at the fiction at all, because I'm not really experienced with what's going to sell. I know it's mostly like brand new books that came out are going to sell pretty well in fiction, but I'm not really that experienced in where the money is for fiction books. So I just kind of skipped that one. I probably should scan a lot of stuff, and then start to learn like a niche for valuable fiction books. But it's kind of what I did for children's books. But that's really my advice. Don't just skip over sections, and try to learn about it so you can pick the good stuff in that section without having to spend a lot of time on it. So that's about it for this time, and I'll see everybody next time.